Today I'd like to talk to you about our original rail vinyl rail system. With its superior strength, easy to install brackets, hidden fasteners, and easy stair installation, this is one of the best rail systems that you can buy on the market today. We offer original rail in 3 colors: white, earth, and dune. In each rail kit, you will get your top rail with aluminum stiffener, your bottom rail with aluminum stiffener, your balusters, your brackets, and your screws. Basically everything you need to put up a section of rail between 2 posts. We offer the rail kits in 2 heights, a 36-inch residential height and a 42-inch commercial height. For the residential height, we offer a 4-foot, 6-foot, 8-foot, and 10-foot kit for level rails, and a 6 and 8-foot kit for stair rails. For our commercial 42-inch height, we offer a 6-foot and 8-foot level rail kit, and we also offer a 6 and 8-foot stair rail kit. As far as baluster options, we offer a 1 1/4 inch square baluster, a 1 1/4 inch turn baluster, a 3/4 inch black aluminum baluster, and we also offer glass slats. For any weird applications you might have on your deck, we also offer a variety of brackets. While the level rail and stair rail brackets will come with the kits, we also offer a 0 to 44 degree bracket that must be cut on site. We also offer a 45 degree bracket. We offer a round column bracket, and we also offer a round column adapter. So if you're looking for the ultimate rail section that will not only give you beauty, but will also last a lifetime, please consider using RDI's original rail vinyl rail system. If you have any questions, please feel free to visit our website at www.rdirail.com or give our customer service a call at 877-420-7245.